Wondering whether or not your advertising campaign was a success, whether the influencer involved managed to bring in high engagement. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can monitor the success of your advertising campaign with the help of Mandala. So make sure to stick to the end of the video. Whether it is your internal team or an advertising agency running the ad campaign for you, monitoring the effectiveness of the campaign is very important because it also helps you to decide future campaigns, and most of all, you have to find whether or not did it manage to generate the anticipated return on investment. Thankfully, tools these days are providing us useful insights to take data-driven approach and run a more productive campaign. Let's find out how Mandala helps you to effectively monitor your advertising campaign. For this video, I'm choosing Coca-Cola Starlight as my example. It was a limited edition flavor, a space-inspired Coca-Cola product. So now we want to find out whether or not Coca-Cola managed to run a successful advertising campaign for this product. So you can see I've chosen this keywords which will directly link me to the mentions based on this campaign. Here you can see the engagement it has managed to generate from all these three social media platforms as well as from YouTube. Another important way to find the success of your advertising campaign is by tracking the engagement on keywords and hashtags. Under keywords and hashtag, you can see how Mandala provides an overview on how much of the engagement your keywords and hashtags have managed to gather. You can also find out other words and hashtags that have been frequently used alongside your chosen keywords under this word cloud and hashtag cloud. If you have chosen any influencer for your campaign and you want to track whether or not did they manage to generate high engagement, you can also do that under Mandala. For the Coca-Cola Starlight campaign, Coca-Cola partnered with Ava Max, the American singer. As you can see under the top channel, she is appearing with the highest engagement. She managed to gather a high engagement with just one post. If you want to keep on monitoring the engagement of your influencers or other channel, you can add them as focus channel. By doing so, you can keep track of their previous as well as future posts. You can also find an individual breakdown for each of the social media platforms. This breakdown will help you in learning the scale of engagement or what are the top channels for that particular social media platform. So you can see how easily you can monitor the success of your advertising campaign. You can see what sort of engagement you have been able to gather on all the different social media platforms. What are the channels other than you on all the social media platforms that are talking about your advertising campaign? And so these are some of the important information that Mandala helps you to gather in order to decide whether or not your advertising campaign was successful. So this was just one way, but let me tell you something. There are many other ways in which Mandala helps thousands of content creators, brands, businesses, and marketers to take a data-driven approach in their decision-making process. So, if you haven't already signed up for Mandala, you can start your 7-day free trial at mandalassistant.com. For more queries, you can email us at sales@mandalassistant.com, and you can watch another interesting videos on Mandala in Mandala Academy. So that is all for this video, and I will catch you next time.